guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a review on my new bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that I recently bought the Jacquemus Chiquito bag. I've honestly been wanting one of these for the longest time. I always looked online to see if they were in stock, but they were never in stock. It was always sold out. But yeah, I saw a countdown of when the 2024 winter collection was gonna drop, so I put the notifications on so I would know. But I wasn't really planning on buying anything. I just wanted to know when it was in stock. I woke up really early. I saw that they had the medium-sized Chiquito, and I've been waiting for the medium-sized one because I feel like the large one's too big for me, and then the small was just too small because then you can't fit anything in it. But I was excited to see that the medium was in stock. It took me a lot of thinking. I was gonna get the black one, but then I was like, all my other bags are black. I feel like it needs to be a statement piece, and I want it to just stand out. So I decided to get the off-white one. But yeah, so it just came in a box. It didn't really have any bubble wrap or anything, but it just came with a little postcard and a thank you note and my receipt in this one. But yeah, so this is the dust bag it came in. This is the new one. So the old one had a black panel and had said Jacquemus on it, but I really like how minimal this one is. Yeah, so this is the bag. Wow. But yeah, so this one's actually suede. I didn't know that when I bought it because I just was rushing because I didn't want it to sell out. But I thought it was just a leather feel, but this one's suede. But I'm not really mad about it because it looks so nice. But I'm just scared that I'm gonna get it really dirty because suede gets dirty easily, and I just need to make sure that I don't have makeup or anything on my hands when I touch it. But yeah, so this one's from the 2024 winter collection. I literally fell in love with that collection. I remember seeing the live stream of it, and it just looks so nice. I just love neutral colors and the linens and everything. But yeah, so the collection was called the year 97 in French. I was gonna say it in French, but I don't want to butcher it. I'll just put it here. But yeah, 97 was the year that Simon, the designer, made his first garment, which was a skirt for his mum. He made it from the linen curtains in his house, and it's really what inspired this whole collection because it has lots of linens and everything. And I saw this video, some of the jewelry was inspired by the curtain rings, if that makes sense. Some of the earrings were curtain rings, and I just thought that was really cool how he incorporated those into the collection. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I can fit in here because these bags are known to not fit much anything in it. I already know my phone's not gonna fit in here, so that's quite unfortunate, but I don't really put my phone in my bag anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, so I don't really bring that much stuff with me. I just bring my cards and cash, my keys, and lip balm or something. But yeah, so I've just got my cards. I'll just pop them in there, and then I've got my keys. I have a big keychain, but it fits in here. My lip balm, my lip gloss. But yeah, actually it fits quite a lot. That's really all I bring out with me. Maybe some hand sanitizer because we need that. But yeah, so this is my little mini hand sanitizer, and it fits. Wow. Let's just close it. It fucking will close. I don't think it's gonna, oh there you go. Yeah, so all that stuff in there. But yeah, so it actually fits quite a lot in there compared to the tiny one. I'm really happy I got this size because it's still a cute small size, which I love. But yeah, I'm obsessed with mini bags at the moment. But yeah, so how I went about styling this bag, I just took inspiration from the runway. I just styled it with neutral colors. I'm obsessed with neutral colors anyway, so I had a couple things in my closet that I could style it with. So for this outfit, I started with this nude top and these kind of olive dress pants. The top is from Cotton On and the pants are thrifted. I really love these two colors together. It just looks so nice. But yeah, and then for this outfit, I stuck with the same pants and just changed the top, and this is just a white silky satin top. This is just from ASOS. Then I've got this mock neck long sleeve crop top. This is from Bershka, which I got from ASOS. and I'm just wearing these with some Zara jeans. This is just like a simple casual outfit that you can wear like just out and about, but yeah, but the bag just makes it 100 times better. And then lastly, I've just got this outfit that I'm wearing in this video, this cutout top which is from Misguided, and then these Milk and Honey pants. But yeah, you could literally wear this with anything, especially because it's a neutral color. You can't really clash with anything. You could like literally wear a simple outfit with this and it'll just make it look like you put a lot of effort into it, but you just wore this bag. I'm actually so in love with it. I'm so happy I bought it. I was really hesitant on buying it because it was so expensive, but I think it's worth it. I love it so much. I like want to put it in like a glass box and just display it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. I appreciate all of you, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.